As a Disney Vacation Club member, I've stayed at dozens of Disney hotels. And my two favorite here in California are the Disneyland Hotel and the Grand Californian Hotel. So today I'm going to take you around the Disneyland Hotel and show you my favorite and least favorite parts of them, to help you decide where to stay on your next trip. At both Disney hotels, they allow you to check in online, which I highly recommend doing. You just open your Disneyland app and click check in. Then when your room is ready, they give you your room number and you can head up. We are staying in the Adventure Tower at Disneyland Hotel. Our hotel room was ready early at 2:30 p.m. instead of 3. We used the app to open our door and never had to check in at a desk or talk to anybody, which we loved. All right, welcome to the room. I'm walking down the hallway right now. Hence why it's yellow lighting, and we are gonna head into the main room to get this party started. All right, first off, you walk in and you see this gigantic bed. This actually looks bigger than a normal king size, and I do not know why, but I'm here for it. Last time we stayed in here, it was 2 double beds, I think, right, Lucas? Yeah. We haven't been to the Disneyland Hotel or stayed here in 6 years. What's 2016? Beginning of TM. 9 years, 6 years. No, 7 years. Okay. We saved so much of our money just to be able to stay, and we didn't even have enough money to get into the parks, so we just stayed at the hotel and we just walked down downtown Disney and didn't even go into the parks that time. It's just so nostalgic for us to be here because we have so many memories here at Disneyland. We lived in Los Angeles for 10 years. Lucas is from here. You know, I was going after like the acting industry and he was trying to do music, and just how we've built up to where we are today with our business and, you know, doing YouTube videos like this and staying here legit this time and going to the park, so really exciting. Nonetheless, a dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. Please do not forget those words, and they won't let you because they put it on the pillow. The best part about Disneyland Hotel, in my opinion, is not only because of the lighting and the fact that it's much brighter, huge windows than the Grand Californian. This little deal right here where you just press this button, and the lights turn on, and as you can hear, this lovely music box song from Cinderella? Sleeping Beauty? Cinderella, which is weird because it's Sleeping Beauty's castle here, but it's a vibe. And I feel like this is gonna be the perfect nightlight to have. And I love that they put this in here. Like, tears, anyone? Yes. Let's test out this bed. Oh my gosh, Hidden Mickeys galore on the bedspread. I didn't even notice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, already. Shoes on the bed bothering anyone? Here, take them off for you. Anyway, yeah, this bed's amazing. I can't even explain how much I like this hotel better than Grand Californian. Yes, you can walk straight into California Adventure from the hotel, so that's cool, but Disneyland Hotel, it's just, the vibes are so much more nostalgic. Like I said, it's brighter in here. I don't know, I just feel like it's more Disney themed. Does that make sense? The other one's just California themed, and who wants that when they're in California? Over here is a lovely chair for you to enjoy a good read. And the closest thing to me to read is this Disneyland Hotel telephone and internet information. But I love that it's Walt back in the day in his office. And there's even like a throwback picture of the Disneyland Hotel on the back. Like, can you even? There's a little notepad in here. And that's why it comes with this Disneyland Hotel pen, which I think I'm gonna have to snatch, just saying. This is really a vibe sitting here and people watching. We're on the 2nd floor and it's the best people watching floor, I think, because you're not on the level with everybody, so you can look above and look at them. Then there's this other area where you can sit to make the most difficult decisions of your life, which is what to order from the in-room dining menu. And as I was perusing through this, I see they have cocktails, beer, breakfast, no vegan options for breakfast. For dinner, they do have a vegan option, the quinoa and baby kale salad and the barbecue glazed meatloaf. I don't think so. I love the Hidden Mickey in this lamp. Like, talk about cuteness. I love all the Hidden Mickeys in this room. I'm obsessed with it. Empty drawer. Empty drawer. Peter Pan navigation or star or something on these drapes. I'm not sure. Nautical themed, is it? Or is it Peter Pan themed? The floor is absolutely vibes. It is like a bunch of fireworks. I mean, you feel like you're having a party in here, I swear. I just love the Disneyland Hotel. I can't even explain how much more I love it. Underneath the castle, I think that was before opening, he's walking through and he's like, this looks like it's gonna be pretty cool. Fingers crossed. He was probably really nervous, talking about what Walt's thinking. But what I'm thinking right now is how amazing this view is. Literally, a view of the pool. Can you be sad about this incredible view? Also, you can check out Tangaroa Terrace / Trader Sam's. Goofy's kitchen is across the way. We've got, you know, where you check in over there, the Fantasy Tower. I don't think, honestly, that they could have given us a better room. So after we do this hotel, we're gonna take you around to the shops to show you around at the different restaurants, and also we're gonna go swimming in the pool. So we're gonna show you every aspect of the Disneyland Hotel. But before that happens, let's go to the bathroom. A little bit of yellow lighting in here, as is normal in a bathroom at Disney hotels, but huge mirror, and look at these sconces for these lamps. They're literally Mickey's hands coming out of the wall, like Hulk or something. I feel like I need these for my house, my future house one day, which, if you don't know, we've been traveling full time for 5 years and have not had a home in 5 years. So if we do, these will be the sconces.
Sconces.
Lucas, look, hidden Mickeys on the taps.
Mickey on tap.
In here they have a toilet, of course. They have a Swiss Family Robinson house thing, some towels, and look, Lucas, another hidden Mickey tap for the bathtub / shower. What's also interesting is that they have the shampoo, conditioner, and the body wash on the wall. I won't be using those, but if you forget yours, there are options. As always, if you've watched these hotel tours before, you know how much I loathe the H2O scented body lotion and hand soap. It's sea salt scented. Please tell me who thought sea salt was a good idea for a scent. They only have one, so we requested they bring a second one. Oh my gosh, Lucas.
They soft.
Okay, we're taking this out. We're taking this out. We gotta do a whole try-on situation. Okay, first of all, if you've ever seen my Aulani hotel tour, I went on and on about how much I love their robes at Aulani because they are sheets kind of on the outside with a softness and a softness on the inside, which mostly hotels at Disney are rough on the inside, like at Disney World. Lucas? Soft. This is just like the Aulani one. And I almost love this one more because that embroidery right there is an absolute vibe. I don't think I'm gonna take this off. I'm sleeping in this, I don't care. Who says? I was gonna wear this down to the pool, but it's too nice, you know? Here, let's try it on. Am I rocking the large extra large or what? Oh my.
With shoes?
You know it, dog. And thank you for joining me on this hotel room tour. Now I'm gonna go through a few pros and cons between Grand Californian and Disneyland Hotel. Disneyland Hotel, I've mentioned before, better lighting, feels like larger beds, bigger windows, better views. I don't know about the other places, but I got a better view this time. I mean, Grand Californian has some of those elements, but I like the ones at Disneyland Hotel better. We have stayed in Grand Californian almost every time we've been to Disneyland because you can just walk right into California Adventure, which is like the best. Disneyland Hotel is a little off the strip. You have to take the monorail into Tomorrowland, or you can walk into the park, which we're gonna do tomorrow. I feel like the hotel itself is better, in my opinion. Anyways, let's go to the pool. Located on the lobby level is the Fantasia Shop, where you can get merchandise like spirit jerseys and plush toys. We're gonna go around and see if there's any merchandise we can buy to look cool in the parks, you know, full fit. And these ears are so nice. Like, the last Disneyland park we were at were Paris, and I just feel like their ears weren't as good. Like, if you're not wearing these while also staying at the hotel, then who even are you? Even the plain purples, I mean, like, you could do a full purple, like, fit, or a full pink fit with these. So basically most Disney hotels have like their own shop inside their hotel, and this is Disneyland Hotels. And it has a lot of stuff that's in the theme park as well, but like I said, if you wanna get an outfit before you go to the theme park, then you can visit the stores. They have the Disney 100 spirit jerseys, fireworks on the front, big party vibes. Big party vibes. And they have matching purple sweatpants. And the best part about this outfit, if you wanna go full, is they have these Disney 100 purple Crocs and matching Mickey ears. So, like, your fit could be on point, just saying. So they have Lucas's size, so I think he needs to get one of these, or at least try it on. Let's get him and try it on. All right, I'm also seeing a super dope hat right there. Okay, Lucas has picked out an outfit for himself. He's got the 100 Crocs, he's got that hat, he's got that spirit jersey. It's a vibe. It is a vibe, sir. Purple goes with everything. Okay, I also need this spirit jersey because it's green, and y'all know I love green. Also this. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? I need this too. I need everything. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
It's a tough.
It's tough.
Lucas ended up getting the full outfit minus the Crocs, which were too small for his size 13 feet. The other store is Small World Gifts and Sundries, where you can get toys, hats, swimsuits, snacks, and more. Located out by the pool are the entrances to the restaurants. There is Goofy's Kitchen, which has character dining, and a buffet breakfast, brunch, and dinner. Reservations required. Then there's the Tangaroa Terrace, which is an informal restaurant with a Polynesian vibe, plus grab-and-go items like the Dole Whip. Reservations recommended. And last, Trader Sam's, a tiki-themed hut with cocktails and small plates. Reservations are also recommended here. You can make all reservations through the Disneyland app 2 months before your trip. Next, we decided to head to the pool area where they have 2 pools, 2 water slides, and 2 hot tubs.
Okay, we made it down to the pool. It's wild here. There's tons of kids. Also, my battery is dying, so I hope that I can film a little bit of our experience down here. If not, I will catch you up later. This is our first time ever at a Disneyland hotel pool. Getting closer, get to the sun, get to the sun.
It's cold.
Oh my gosh. It's 83 degrees in the water and it still feels cold.
Still feels cold.
But we also are in the shade. Oh wow, there's like a splash pad slash, this is where the slide is.
That's fun.
And there's a splash pad apparently.
It might be
It
full.
is, oh no. Oh no, we found the hot tub. And there's one on the other side of the slide. Oh, it's pretty packed, but
There's a corner. Or do you think it's just too much?
there's a corner. Oh, it's so hot because you're used to the because you're used to the pool. It's really, after going into the pool and then into this, it's like crazy. My, I kind of want to know what the temp is in here. It's got to be like 103 degrees or something.
Okay, it says
What's it say? See, that's the slide right there, and then here's the hot tub.
103.
103 degrees?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm good with my water temps, let me tell you.
Yeah.
This part of the hotel tour is very chaotic. So there are some cons to Disneyland Hotel. The lobby is not that cool.
Right. The lobby in Grand Californian.
The lobby in Grand Californian is amazing. There's like a live piano player.
Especially during Christmas.
Oh yeah, during Christmas there's a live piano player. It's like huge and open. There's a fireplace. It's so rustic. You can look up and see all the different floors of the hotel. Like it's an experience in itself. And here that doesn't really happen. So, okay, I feel like this is a great place to come after a long day at the park, or if you like are staying and not going to the park. Hot tub is what's up, honestly. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy some more of the pool and hot tub, and maybe I'll be able to vlog some more. I don't know because the battery, but
time we've gone into one of the pools except for Alani. We're always so busy being in the parks.
That we've never done a pool day.
We did Bay Lake, but that was like
That we went during
so many years ago.
No, but we went to the park, Bay Lake, and then the park.
Right.
So that's the thing. We checked into the hotel today. We're not going to the parks today, so we have a whole day to like enjoy the hotel, and then we're gonna go to the parks, and then we're gonna go to the parks.
Right.
So we're staying two nights.
Yeah.
And then the day we are going to the park on the last day, we're just gonna have to hold our bags. So yeah. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're gonna try to do the outro. If you can hear me, I'll use this part. If you can't hear me, I won't. But thank you for following along in the Disneyland Hotel. We have vlogs coming up. Two more. We're gonna have we're going to these very exclusive restaurants in Disneyland, and we're gonna review them, see if they're worth the price, and then also beginners tips for Disneyland, which is gonna be an amazing video, and that comes out next week. So make sure to subscribe so you can see those videos. Hit the bell button so you're notified about those uploads. And thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, I hope you can decide between Grand Californian and Disneyland Hotel when you come. They're both really great, but I do think Disneyland Hotel is my favorite. All right, we'll see ya.
See you later.
Bye.